Most people wait way too long to replace their bathtub faucet cartridge. I get it. It sounds like plumbing wizardry and possibly catastrophic. Like one wrong move and now your bathroom is underwater levels of anxiety, but it's usually just a $20 part. You're assigned to replace it: dripping water when the faucet is off, weird temperature swings, or low water pressure. If your tub feels like it's either lava or Antarctic meltwater, congratulations, your cartridge is likely toast. It happens to most faucets after about 7 to 10 years of daily use. Wear and tear comes for us all. Here's where people panic. Getting to the cartridge sounds like performing surgery on ancient plumbing. But the good news is most modern faucet designs, especially from Moen or Delta, are built to be serviced by humans. You just need the right tools and a little clarity going in. First, shut off the water. Seriously, this is not a suggested first step. There's usually a water shutoff valve behind an access panel near your tub, or you may need to shut off the main. Do it before anything else. Leaks plus pressure, chaos. Next, take off the faucet handle. You'll either find a tiny Allen screw underneath or a cap to pop off hiding a Phillips screw. This may already reveal how disgusting the inside is. Don't judge yourself. That's just years of mineral buildup and neglect. Once the handle's off, you'll see the escutcheon, the plate against the wall. Unscrew or wiggle that off to expose the brass cartridge assembly. That's your target. This is where people sometimes stop and say, "Whoa, never mind," but don't. This is where it actually gets simple. Take a photo of everything, then grab your pliers. There's often a retaining clip or plastic nut holding the cartridge in place. Pull that out carefully. If the cartridge looks like it's fused into the faucet for eternity, use a cartridge puller tool. It's under $15 and saves hours. Once the old cartridge is out, take it to your local hardware store. You'd think bathtub cartridge is a universal part. It's not. You need the same model. Trust me, once you've played faucet roulette with 3 similar but not quite cartridges, you'll start carrying the old one in your glove box. Installing the new cartridge is basically the reverse. Lube the rubber O-rings with plumber's grease, slide it into place the way the old one came out, and replace the retaining clip or nut. It should fit snug, not something you jam in like a caveman. Put the handle and escutcheon back on, turn your water back on, and test it. You should see an immediate improvement. If you've done it right, no more dripping, smoother hot-cold mixing, and better pressure. It's the kind of fix that feels suspiciously powerful for how cheap it is. Pro tip: keep that cartridge puller and a photo of what model your faucet is. I learned the hard way, twice, that future you will forget all of this if there's ever a next time, especially when you own a home with like 4 slightly different faucets. In Portland, with all the hard water and older homes, cartridge replacements are almost a seasonal ritual. I've replaced 3 in my block alone. People treat it like you're a hero, when it's honestly just a YouTube tutorial and quiet bravery in the face of plumbing.